Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Roblox not launching on Windows 10 and 11. The methods I'll explain work on both versions of Windows, and there's no difference between Windows 10 and 11. The first thing you do is right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then, in the list of programs, if you see Roblox, right-click on it and click End Task to close it. The next step is to right-click on the Roblox icon and select Run as Administrator to launch the program with admin privileges. If this method didn't fix your problem, you'll need to try the following steps. The first thing you should do is clear the Windows temp files. To do this, simply search for Run. In the box, just type Temp and click OK. Here, you need to delete all these files. Keep in mind that deleting them won't cause any issues for your system or programs. I press Ctrl-A to select all the files, then hit the Delete key to remove them. Any files that can't be deleted, I just skip over. We need to do this again. The only difference is that we put set signs before and after temp. Here we press Ctrl-A again to select all the files, then press Delete and skip any files that can't be deleted. The next step is to completely uninstall Roblox from your system. Usually, to uninstall a program, you just search for Add or Remove Programs, open that page, find the program you want, and uninstall it. But the method I'm going to show you is a bit different. To uninstall a program, just run Revo Uninstaller. We use Revo Uninstaller because the regular method often leaves some program files on your system. But with Revo Uninstaller, all files are completely removed. It's like you've reinstalled Windows and are installing the program fresh. To uninstall a program, simply select it from the list and click Uninstall. Here we uncheck this box, check this one instead, and then click Continue. In this part, we check this box and click Scan. It's now fully removing Roblox from our system. And just like that, Roblox is completely removed from our system. Now you need to reinstall Roblox on your system. The method I recommend is to do it through the Microsoft Store because it automatically installs the best version based on your hardware. To do this, just open the Microsoft Store and search for Roblox in the search bar. And we enter this page. Then we click Get to download and install. Just like that, it gets downloaded and installed easily. One last tip I want to share. Based on some forums and feedback from others, this has solved their problem. If Rivatuner is running on your system, simply close the program. To do this, just click on this area. Find the Rivatuner program, right-click it, and select Close. Now, all you need to do is launch Roblox. As you can see, the problem is solved that easily. Be sure to try these methods, and if you still have any issues, just leave a comment below. I'll see you soon.